In this video, let's create your own bot in Chai app. So just go to the messages tab and tap create bot. Add avatar to the bot, come up with a name for your bot. So you can, okay, let's just do that. And then you need upload a valid image. So here you can go to the gallery. Okay, here is some just Snapchat filter or something. And then you can do that, whatever. Description. That's what you can do. You can add the first message. Enter a few facts about bot to shape its character. So that's basically and then you can just, this way you will train the model and give some advice to people, like not advice, but basically you train the model and all of that. All of bots non-subscribed users can only create one bot at a time. You can still edit any existing bots. So there you have it. So now you see your bot. You can edit your bot here. You can see a rank, messages sent, conversations. You can see user conversations and all of that. So that's pretty fun. And you can kind of edit this AI model because, and that's how it works. And then you can create your bot and grow your kind of influence on this app and test different models. So that's like a new feature of this Chai app. It's super fun. And then you can see all this leaderboard of the bots. And then this is, you will see your bot ranking. So my 1,000 plus. Because I just created it, but let's see, I never used this feature before. Let's see how much time it takes that people start to conversation with it and all of that.